Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about bin function in Python function series. Bin function in Python. What is bin function and why it is used? Bin function is nothing but it is used to convert the decimal value to its corresponding binary value. For converting decimal to binary, we are using bin function in Python. Now let us discuss the parameters in it. Bin function takes single parameter. For example, bin of num. Here num is nothing but the decimal value which is going to convert to its corresponding binary value. Now let us discuss the return type for this function. This return type returns the string from the binary value. And the binary value will come with the prefix 0b, which represents binary. Now let us see this function in a small program. Num equal to int of input, binary string equal to bin of num. Here the binary value of num is stored in the binary string. So now to convert this binary value to the decimal value, we have to use int of binary string comma base 2. Okay, now we are just going to print the binary value, print binary string. Let's execute this code. Giving 4 as input, we get 0b 104. Here 0b is binary, so for eliminating it we have to use slice operator. Print binary string of 2 to the last element. Let's execute this code. Giving 4 as input, hence we are able to see that 0b is eliminated. Hope you guys understand this code. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.